Hello friends, welcome back to Vainavi's world, and today we learn how to make two types of rings. So in our previous videos we learned how to make basic stitches. So the first type of ring we are going to learn is magic ring. So let's get started. For the structure of the magic ring, first we will leave a little long end between our fingers and hold it like this. And now we are going to take the yarn and loop it around our fingers, and you're going to cross over and hold it with your ring finger like this. Let's see again. So hold the yarn in between your fingers, then just loop it around. Make sure that you see a little X and hold it. Now we are going to take our hook and we are going to insert it, and the second strand we are just going to pull it through and twist it. And now we are just going to take the yarn from here and we are going to chain one and going to take it off. So this is our magic ring. So now we are going to make 10 single crochets into the ring. So now you hold it with your ring finger and insert your hook into the loop, and you are going to pull up a loop through the loop, and you are going to make a regular double crochet, single crochet. So we have counted the first chain one that we did during the magic ring as one single crochet, and this is our second one. So let's see how to make another one. So we are going to insert into the loop and we are just going to pull up a loop. And we are going to pull through two. Like this. Now I have made 10 single crochets into the magic ring, and now I will show how to close off this magic ring. So you have to pull this loop long and you are going to remove the hook. Now you see this thread here, this thread, you are just going to pull it tight. You are just going to pull the thread and it will automatically close. And now we are going to close off the round. So make the loop little shorter and take your hook and insert into the loop. And as in one of our previous videos we learned how to make a slip stitch. So we are going to make a slip stitch into that chain one, and this is how to close off the round in the magic ring. Now the second type of ring is the chain magic ring or just ring, and for that first we will make a slip knot, and we are going to make 4 chains, 2, 3 and 4. You can also make 5, but mostly we make 4. So now you are going to go in the loop of the first chain and you are going to make a slip stitch. So according to your project you can make a 5 or 4 chain ring. So in the 4 chain ring you can make smaller amount of stitches, while in the 5 chain ring you can make a larger amount of stitches. So it depends on which project you are making. And now I am making 10 single crochets into this ring. First we will do chain 1 and let's start making it. So you can see this hole. So you don't want to go there, you want to go into the original hole that is formed by the chains. You want to pull up a loop and make a single crochet. That is 2 because the chain 1 is also 1. And now we are making 3, 4 and 10. Now we are going to slip stitch into the first chain, so it can get buried. So just find it and do a slip stitch. This is how our 10 single crochets look, and the 4 or 5 chain ring cannot be tightened, so it will look like this. So friends, now I'm going to show you both of the ring types. Now my favorite one is the magic ring, and I will bring many videos related to the magic ring very soon. And till that, if you have enjoyed my video, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your dear friends, and please leave your lovely suggestions for projects in the comments below. Thank you.